Hello everyone, welcome to Satyanus. Now we are here with the third part of circles. In the previous video, we have discussed about tangent of a circle and the equation of tangent of circle in different forms like slope form, parametric form and etc. Right? In this video, first of all, let's discuss about normal of a circle. First of all, what is normal? If at all, it's a circle of equation x square plus y square is equals to r square, the tangent passing through the circle. Let us see the tangent passing through the circle. The equation of tangent is y equals to mx plus c. And now, let us take the point of intersection of the circle and the line y equals mx plus c as x1 comma y1. The center of the circle is 0 comma 0. Now, what is normal? Normal is nothing but the perpendicular line to the tangent, which means this is the normal and the angle between y equals to mx plus c and this line must be 90 degrees. For finding the equation of normal, we can say that if two slopes are 90 degrees, the angle between two lines is 90 degrees, the product of their slope is equals to -1, right? This is the condition. And here, what is the slope of the tangent y equals to mx plus c? Y equals to mx plus c. The slope is m. And let us assume the slope of the line normal has m dash is equals to -1. As these two are perpendicular, I am going to use this formula. Now, in the place of m dash, I can write -1 by m, right? Now, as this line passes through x1, y1, I can say y is equals to m dash into x, where you can write, here you can do the slope form also, x1, y1 and 0 comma 0. Y minus 0 is equals to m into x minus 0, which I have written directly, okay? Y is equals to m dash into x, m dash, that is -1 by m into x. And as this we can write plus c here and plus c, where c is a constant, or else there is no change if you write plus c or else if you not, okay? In this way we have derived the equation of normal to a circle. Hope you understand. And now let's discuss various forms of normal of a circle. Various forms of normal of a circle. Okay? First of all, it is point form. We have already discussed the point form. Wait, I will show you. Let us take this is x comma y. This is a tangent to a circle. This is the normal. Its point is x1, y1. The equation of line is y equals to mx plus c. The previous derivation I have derived is same as point form. The only change is there we took 0 comma 0 as the center, but here the center is x comma y. So the small change would be y1 minus y is equals to m is as it is 1 by m into here x1 minus x. So this is the equation of normal in point form. Okay. The next we will discuss in parametric form. The second one is parametric form. Okay. In this is a circle, this is tangent to a circle, this is a center, and what is the point of intersection of tangent and the circle in parametric form? This I have explained in the part 2 of circles. Please check there before watching further. This point will be r cos theta, comma r sin theta. Okay. Now, this is the normal, right? By this point, you can say that the slope of tangent to a circle will be slope of tangent is equals to, you can say it is minus cot theta, right? Minus cot theta. Then what will be the slope of normal? It is minus 1 by cot theta. Minus 1 by cot theta. What is 1 by cot theta? It is tan theta. So here this is the slope, and now the equation will be y is equals to tan theta into x. Okay. For this step, please check the second part of the circles. There I have explained clearly how to derive the parametric form of tangent to a circle. And the next, let's discuss length of tangent from a given point. Length of tangent from a given point. Let's take a circle of equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And here is a point P. These are the two tangents that can be drawn to the circle from the point P. And the coordinates of point P are x1 and y1, and here is the center. Okay, let's mark this as O and this as A and this as B. Joining OP, okay, joining OP. Here you can see that the angle between OBP is 90 degrees. As the angle between tangent and the radius is 90 degrees. See, this is R, this is R. Now, we have to find the length of a given point and the tangent, which means we have to find the length of PB or else PA. That is the length, right? PB is equals to the triangle POB. You can say that this is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square is equals to hypotenuse square, right? So here OP is the hypotenuse, PB square is equals to OP square minus OB square. Now PB square is equals to OP square minus R square, where OB is R. Directly we can write PB is equals to root of, in place of OP we can write this equation x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c plus r square minus r square. So here plus r square minus r square gets cancelled, and finally we get PB value as root of S11. The meaning of S11 here is the equation of the circle which consists of The elements are the coordinates x1 and y1. That means substituting the values of x1 and y1 in the equation of the circle and its square root will give the length of PB or PA. Nothing I used here, only the Pythagoras theorem. PB square is equals to OB square minus OB square, and putting the values, OP square is equals to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c plus r square minus r square. At last we get PB is equals to root of s11. This is the length of the tangent from a given point. Hope you got it. And the next, let's discuss a direct formula, which is angle between two tangents drawn from a point. Angle between two tangents drawn from a point to a circle. The same condition which we have took before. Here, take this is point P, this is O, AB, A and B. Now, we required the angle between two tangents, which means this angle APB. The direct equation for this is tan theta is equals to r under root. See, the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equals to r square. As the coordinates are 0, 0, tan theta is equals to r under root x1 square plus y1 square minus r square by x1 square plus y1 square minus 2r square. This is a direct formula for finding the angle between two tangents. You can further simplify this also, where we can write tan theta is equals to r under root. If you observe here, x1 square plus y1 square minus r square is same as s11, which I have said before, s11 by, and here x1 square plus y1 square, here 2r square can be written as x1 square plus y1 square minus r square and minus r square. We can write like this, right? And now I am going to take x1 square plus y1 square minus r square as 1 more s11 minus r square. So, this is a simplified equation for finding the angle between two tangents drawn from a point. Tan theta is equals to r under root s11, where r is the radius, by s11 minus r square. Similarly, there is another formula which gives the half angle, which means this theta by 2, which is tan theta by 2 is equals to r by under root s11. This is the direct formula for finding the half angle, which means APO. And now let's discuss about chord of contact. Chord of contact. What is meant by chord of contact? Chord of contact is the point of intersection of two tangents drawn from a same point, or else drawn from a point P, which is, see, this is the chord of contact. AB is the chord of contact for the circle x square plus y square is equals to r square. The coordinates of point P are x1 and y1, and here you can see that the equation of chord of contact is similar to the equation of the tangent to the circle. First of all, what is the equation of tangent to a circle? it is x1 plus y1 is equals to r square, which I have said in the second part. Please check that. For finding the tangent, directly we substituted that x square as x1 and y square as y1. If at all there is a second degree equation, we used 2x as x plus x1 and 2y as y plus i1. But here we required only x square and y square. So this is the same formula for chord of contact, tangent, and also pole. Pole is a new term which we will learn further in the circles. Up till you remember, x1 plus y1 is equals to r square is the equation of the tangent as well as chord of contact. Okay. We'll end up this class with two more formulas. First one is length of chord of contact. I'm writing chord of contact in short as COC. Okay. Length of chord of contact, which is 2RL by under root r square plus L square. This is the formula for length of chord of contact, and the next formula is area of triangle formed by chord of contact and the two tangents, which is, see, this is the triangle. We have to find the area of triangle PAB. Direct formula for this is RL cube by r square plus L square, where L is the length OP. Okay, L is the length of OP. Hope you understood. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.